In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the WSL register distribution failed errors 0x80070119E and 0x80000000D on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type features. And you'll find under the best match, turn Windows features on or off, maximize this. Now here we need to look for the option Windows Subsystem for Linux. So if this is unchecked in your case, simply check it. Then you have to click on OK. And that will search for the required files. And after so, you have to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. But if in case that is already enabled and you face the issue, so again search for features in the Windows search bar, then simply uncheck Windows Subsystem for Linux and then click on OK. And that will search for the required files. Then you have to get into this option. And then after that is done, you have to right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And then you have to go again to Windows features after restarting. And then you have to enable again the Windows subsystem for Linux. So you have to check it again and then click on OK. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. So you can run it in the command prompt or you can also run it in the PowerShell. So let me show it to you in the PowerShell. Right click on the Start button, select Terminal Admin. So I'm just going to paste the command from here. This will also be posted in the description section of this video. Hit enter. Okay, and you just have to wait for this process to be done. And once this is done, you need to again restart your system. So right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows, and that will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.